And happy Wednesday, everyone. This is Martha with Martha's Creative Life, and I've got Sean here from The Guy Who Sews. Hey, Sean.
Thanks for having me yet again. This has been a great little project that we've been doing together, and I'm kind of sad it's coming to an end.
I know it is coming to an end. It's hard to believe we're already on day number 21, and we've only got 21, 22, 23, and 24, and then we're done. So this has been an adventure for sure. All right. So we're going to go ahead and open up day 21. Let's see what's in here, okay? I always put that inspirational card in here. You are the greatest project you will ever work on.
Oh, very nice. I like that.
I like that.
Is it red?
No, it's not red. All right. Who knows what this is?
More Tula?
I don't know.
I think it is. I think that's her, like that Alice in Wonderland.
Is that who it is? Okay.
Yeah, she did an Alice in Wonderland type, like Queen of Hearts, that sort of thing line a year or two ago. I actually saw someone do a quilt with some of that line recently, and it looked really, really neat. And I think that's like part of that collection. Yeah, let us know in the comments if I'm right.
Look at that little teacup right there. It's so cute.
Very, very pretty.
Yes. What did you get, Sean?
Do you want to ask our question of the day first?
We could. All right. So my question for you, or what we came up with, is we wanted to ask you, when you were little, did you have a favorite Christmas toy that you got for Christmas or that you got for the holidays that you still remember as an adult? And I remember this little, it was a dog, and he was probably maybe about a good foot long, and he had a string attached to him. And somehow, I don't even know, you could walk the dog, but he was my absolute favorite. I carried that thing with me everywhere. And I had gotten it for Christmas sometime as a child. What about you?
Well, I didn't realize this was from when we were a kid, because I don't know the answer to that. But as an adult,
that's a good question too.
Yeah. As an adult, it would be this.
Was that your first sewing machine?
A sewing machine. This is the one that Amanda bought for me in 2013 when
Aww.
I expressed a desire on quilting, and she secretly bought this for me for Christmas so that way I could get started. And this is how the journey all started. So for me,
wow,
absolutely no question what my favorite gift is. It's this one here.
Oh, I love that. So how long did you sew on the machine?
Still do.
You still do?
Yeah, I do 95% of my piecing on it. I use my other machine to do most of my quilting because I have a extension table for that and everything else. But yeah, I do most of my piecing on that machine to this day. I'll use that thing till it breaks down and won't revive.
So the one that's in your videos, that's
it there.
Wow, I had no idea. So that's the one that has the Guy Who Sews sticker on it.
Well, they both do, but yes.
I love it. Oh, that was a special gift that she got for you, and it's still going strong. I love that.
Much so, yeah. Without question, that is the answer to that question.
So, but I asked the question when you were a kid, but I mean, it made you feel like a kid, right?
Yeah, very much so. Yeah. Okay. So, day 21, Martha come up with some really cool, what we believe is Tula pink fabric with the Wonderland line. That's not going to be in here, I'm sure. Guesses on color?
I'm still going to go with red. It's time for you to get a red one.
I kind of given up on red.
Yeah.
Let's go with purple again.
Okay. All right. Well, how did you know that?
They just seem to be going in a line. Like they just seem to stick one color for a while. Although it has just about every color under the rainbow, it's really pretty butterflies.
That is beautiful. I love the butterflies.
This is some fun fabric. Like I'm really looking forward to putting this into. I want to use it for bigger blocks, obviously, just because this is a bigger print. But yeah,
Amanda's gonna love that purple.
yeah, yeah. The background is all purple, so I get points for that, in my opinion. But yeah, I mean, it has pinks, oranges, greens, blues. Um, not there's a little bit of red here. Look,
Oh, see, there's a little bit of red.
see, partial
Just a
credit.
little bit.
Yep, so partial credit for that. So yeah, we actually got some red. How about that?
Yay. All right, everyone. So that was day 21. Just a few more days. And like Sean said yesterday, the big jolly guy is going to be coming to see us pretty soon. I can't
Yep,
wait to spend some time with family.
me
That's
too.
what I look forward to the most. Well, Sean, I hope you have a wonderful evening. Hope you all have a wonderful evening or a wonderful morning or day whenever that you're getting to watch this video with us. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right, you have a good night.
You too. Bye, Sean.